Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a drugstore makeup tutorial. I know it's literally like once in a blue moon when I come out with these drugstore makeup tutorials because, guys, I have found my most favorite drugstore foundation for only $7. And guess what? The rest of my face is a drugstore with the exception of the lashes because you guys know I love my lashes. But look at this face. I am painted. It is so, we are in such HD, and you guys know I am so particular about my hyperpigmentation, my texture. I love full coverage, and this has probably got to be the most inexpensive product in my makeup kit. Now that is what I call talent. Now speaking of talent, I know y'all have little thumbs, little fingers, so if y'all can please do me the favor, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment down below, do all the above, thumbs up, etc., etc. Follow me on Instagram. I would love it. Oh, and TikTok. I would love it so much. But if you guys want to see how I did this beautiful drugstore makeup look featuring a $7 foundation, then keep on watching. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and take my primer, and this is the Keep Me Matte Primer by Catrice. And guys, this is so yummy and delicious. I take about that much, and I like to apply this like where I get the greasiest. So guys, first of all, can we look at the skin? I mean, you guys just saw me with a full face of makeup, but look at the skin. I've been taking so good care of it. But yeah, primers really protect the face. And again, I do apologize for the missing nails. Guys, look at how matte my face just became. All right, guys, now for the moment you all have been waiting for. This is the foundation, the $7 amazing foundation. I present to you the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. This is long lasting, it's mattifying, it's perfect for my skin, which is like normal to oily, because you know, I'm a big girl and I sweat. When I try to look for drugstore foundations, it is so hard for me to find because sometimes they don't stay on, they don't grip. This one is so amazing, and sometimes I'm really scared of using foundations that don't work for me because they break me out. But Catrice has a standard where they abide by clean ingredients, which is so good. I think with the innovation now, brands have the money and the power to do that, so these mass drugstore brands should be able to supply good beauty standards for us to put on our skin. And because I've realized over the years, because you know, you guys know me, I bake. My skin gets suffocated all the time. And the first thing that suffocates my skin is the primer, is the foundation, is then the powder, then the concealer. But to give my skin a break during this restful time, but to also look good, this is such an amazing foundation. Let me stop yapping and let me show you. So it comes in a little dropper. Oh, and my color, by the way, is Latte Macchiato Beige 060. So this is it right here. You could tell it's like runny, but it's not like super running. It literally reminds me of like the Makeup Forever HD liquid, which is so expensive back in the day, but this is literally a fraction of the price. I'm gonna take it on this big kabuki brush right here, and look at this coverage on my skin. I'm just gonna do this half so you guys can see. And this is just literally just one layer on this half of the face. And if you guys just really want to know, I'm shooting with an 85mm lens for you techies out there that want to know how up close and personal we are today. Do you guys see how beautiful this foundation looks? I prefer a foundation that is super thin, so it takes care of all this texture and it fills it all in. But can you guys see how smooth the Catrice primer and the foundation work together? I'm not even at concealer yet, but this is so good. If you guys want to use a brush, you can. That's what I would normally go to because sometimes I don't have the patience to get my butt off the ground, go to the sink, find a sponge, wash it, clean it, rinse it, dry it, and then use it. But if you want that more HD effect, I would take a clean sponge and just pat it in to pick up any excess. Oh, and by the way, this is the Real Techniques body sponge because I have a really big face. And just press it in. Guys, look at my skin. Look at my skin, it looks so good. Also, if you guys want, turn up your little quality on your YouTube player to HD because I ain't scared. Look at my skin. My skin looks fabulous. And by the way, I'm so glad that Catrice chose to partner with me in today's video because you know what? This foundation is a motherfucking steal. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and take the Catrice HD Liquid Concealer. Guess how much this is? This is $5. This is $5 when I tell you guys this is so freaking good. Oh, and the color that I'm using is Hazelnut Beige 036. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this Drugstore Real Technique sponge, the smaller one, because guys, look how big the body one is and look how small the other one is. It's like a big difference. So to take this for my face and then this one for, you know, the smaller parts of my face. Do you guys see the brightness and the coverage? Like, it's unreal. All right, guys, you all know I love Airspun, but that one is so thick. So I saw Catrice had an HD powder, baking powder. So I'm gonna take this because, like, today we're not using like heavy creams and heavy liquids on the face. This is just so micronized in HD. Do you guys see? It's literally looking so gorgeous and matte, and it'll last a long time. And I know sometimes this baking technique is too much for some people, and I get it. It's not for everybody, but for me, it's a must. All right, guys, so what I'm doing is just taking a brush with nothing on it and dusting it off the face. This powder is so HD. Like I said, we're filming so close on HD. I really want you guys to get in and see the skin. And what's great about this powder, they're all inexpensive, and all of Catrice's products are under $18. So if you're balling on a budget and y'all want to look cute, Catrice is just one of those magic brands available at Ulta for you guys to check out, because I remember it's hard to find good product at a fair rate. So next I'm gonna go ahead and take the Maybelline Fit Me Powder in the color 320 Natural Tan, just to bring back some color onto the face. And y'all know this is one of my favorite bronzers ever, if not my favoriteest bronzer by Milani. This one is the Silky Matte bronzer in the color Suntan. Guys, look how nice and brand new this one is. My other one is so raggedy and so embarrassing. I've actually hit pan, but for this video, I thought I would bust out a new one because it's very presentable for you guys. We're gonna go ahead and just sculpt it. You see how it's giving me a natural contour? Also, by the way, if you guys are around my skin complexion and you're looking for a beautiful contour bronzer color for your nose and your face and your double chin, if you have one, this is so neutral that it literally gives like that shadow effect. All right, guys, the face is coming together. Now for blush, I'm gonna take the very famous Milani Baked Powder Blush in the color Sunset Passion, and I'm gonna go ahead and pack this onto the cheeks. The reason why I love the baked powder blushes, especially like the ones from like MAC 2, is because these really sit well on top of like powder, because you guys can see I do have quite a bit of makeup on, but it just sits really nicely, but it doesn't look so crazy cakey. It just gives that natural flush to the face. And don't be afraid to just go in with the blush. Like, come on. All right, guys, so since this video is about the foundation, the amazing $7 foundation, and the complexion, which is looking so freaking good, I'm gonna throw Maybelline all over the eyes. The eyeshadow being the Nudes of New York palette, the Hyper Easy eyeliner, and the Brow Ultra Slim Defining Pencil. We're gonna go ahead and do this, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, I did my eyes off camera. Look how gorgeous these are. I used the Maybelline Nudes of New York. The shadows are so gorgeous. And my friend's lashes, love lashes, in the style Saucy. These are so pretty. And last but not least, this liquid lip cream from Milani called Lavish. Ooh, we gotta blend that in. I almost forgot about highlighter since my skin is looking so good. You guys know I hate to fuss and muss with my texture, especially when it looks this good. But you know, I'm feeling a little bit more confident about my skin. So I'll take a little bit of this Airspun Pink Me Up highlighter. Ooh, so cute. Just the littlest bit. Oh, just like that. All right, guys, last but not least, just a little bit of setting spray. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my table, and I'll be right back for the finished look. All right, guys, this is the finished look. Do you guys see how fresh and glowy my skin looks? All thanks to the Catrice Liquid Foundation for $7 freaking course. So with that being said, if you guys want to see more videos like this using drugstore inexpensive products like this, be sure to comment down below. Please give this video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget that makeup isn't one size fits all. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.